I'll start with 6 glass bowls that I purchased from Dollar Tree. You can find them in the cooking section as a 4-pack. I also found these gold candle holders from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use them as well. So let's get started. First, I'm going to clean out the inside of each of my bowls. Next, I'm going to use my Gorilla Glue, and I'm going to go around the edge of one of my bowls. Then I'll attach my second bowl to this one. Gorilla Glue takes a while to dry, so I also use hot glue as a temporary stick. I'm going to use a plastic bottle cap in the bottom of my candle holder, since I didn't get a good connection between my glass bowls and the candle holder, so this will give me more connection. As you can see now, I'm taking my glass ball that I've made with my bowls, and I'm going to place it inside the candle holder, and I'm going to attach it with hot glue. Now I'm going to place an open bowl on top of my other candle holder. Now attach the 2 pieces together using a strong adhesive. You can see the bottle caps that I use inside of my candle holders, so I would probably spray paint them gold if I had to do this again. Next, I'm going to add gold gems around the seams of my glasses, and I purchased these from Dollar General, and they were only $1. These gems have a pretty good adhesive on the back of them, but if you want, you can add more. And here's my final product. I really hope you enjoyed watching my video. And if you did, please support my channel by hitting the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.